Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notified instantly. Yes, so dear freshers, we are glad to inform you that we Profound EduTech are arranging a virtual campus for HP for freshers, and we are here to give you the details about the same. So this is a brief introduction about HP. HP, as you know, that it doesn't need any special introduction. They are a leading IT MNC who are known for having developed and providing a wide range of hardware components as well as software and related services to the consumers, small and medium-sized enterprises and large enterprises. So you may get more information about them on their website. Yes, so as mentioned earlier, we Profound EduTech are arranging a virtual campus for freshers for HP, and these are the eligibility and criteria details. The candidates are expected to be from BE Tech or ME Tech, MCS, MCA, BCS, BCA background. As far as engineering branches are concerned, CS, IT, NTC, electronics, electrical, mechanical, instrumentation, etc. are eligible. There is no percentage criteria, and as far as passing years are concerned, the candidates can be from 2021, 2020, 2019 or 2018 or etc. batches. Only condition is the joining is immediate, so the candidates, if selected, must be able to join immediately. Yes, so the post they are offering is technical support engineer. The salary will be in between 20,000 rupees to 24,300 per month. The job location is Bangalore, but currently due to the pandemic situation, the working will be remote from home. Joining is immediate virtual joining, and the campus date will be in May 2021. The exact date and schedule we will inform to the shortlisted candidates. Yes, so these are the skills and roles expected. Uh, the candidates, the selected candidates should be able to articulate in excellent written and verbal communication skills. They should be able to face the clients remotely or face to face. Then the candidates are expected to have computer proficiency with applicable software application and call routing, case logging, etc. These are the skills and roles desired. The job profile is troubleshooting hardware, networking, OS related queries of global clients over the phone. The candidates are also expected to take calls from global clients and initiate the right response to them positively and professionally. They should deal with a wide range of products using a powerful information database, and they should be able to provide remote solutions to the problems, inquiry problems, and explain the solution in such a way that even a non-technical users can understand. So this is the job profile. Yes, so to apply for this drive, you are requested to visit this URL, which is bit.ly/hpcampus. I repeat, the URL for applying for this drive is bit.ly/hpcampus. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, and hence, while entering this URL in the address bar, make sure that you enter correctly. The deadline to apply for this drive is 15th May 2021. Also share this information with your friends, classmates for their benefits also. So thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you are finding our videos useful and you are getting benefited. So Profound EduTech, we are basically a top IT training and placement company. We provide various job-oriented training courses in full stack Java, .NET, testing, data science, Python, machine learning, etc. And yes, we launch new batches every week in both online and offline mode. To get more details about our courses, you may call on the given number 8983012051 or 52. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers backend, front end, testing, Python, along with aptitude, soft skills, etc. This is a similar course in full stack .NET developer. Instead of Java track, we have .NET track in backend. Rest all the details, all the contents are same as Java. This is a diploma course in software testing, which covers manual testing as well as automation testing. So to get more details about these courses, you may visit our website as well, which is profoundedutech.com. These are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online trainings or offline trainings, they are live trainings, meaning that they are not pre-recorded ones. The trainers are in front of you, and since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps the students to get all their doubts, queries, questions solved immediately. We also cover multiple technologies and programming languages within the same course, which not only helps you to get upskilled on multiple technologies, but it also helps you to explore more and more opportunities which are specific to placement opportunities which are specific to those technologies. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge because ultimately that is what matters the most in the IT companies. Okay, so we have daily assignments for our students, them in the computer labs. Whatever they learn, they implement it on real world projects in the computer labs. Also, we have lab trainers who guide them in the assignments, etc. Yes, and the most special thing at Profound EduTech is all our trained students in Java, .NET testing, etc. They get daily exclusive campus drives, which are only for the trained candidates. Yes, so do keep in touch with us on all the social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has more than 50,000 likes. So do like our Facebook page where we keep posting all the updates regularly. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. You may also find us on Telegram. Our website is www.profoundedutech.com. And yes, on Instagram also we keep posting a lot of updates about Campus Drive. So do follow us on Instagram as well. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. Hope to see you soon with one more video. Till then, please keep safe and take care. Thank you so much.